Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ame. The gadget that I have today is an interesting one. You guys have been asking me about my desk clock. You might have already seen my Instagram stories and post about this. And yes, it is none other than Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant. But it does more than just tell you the time and wake you up. It is designed to reduce smartphone screen time at night. It can also run your smart home, play your favorite music across your home, manage your schedule, and much more. All hands-free, quickly and easily. Just say 2 magic words to get started. I'm not gonna say those words as it may make your devices go crazy if you have your Google Assistant set somewhere already. Now, one of the reasons I bought this because I don't like the analog clocks and I always rely on the digital ones. This one is way better than Google Home Mini because it can do all the things that Google Home Mini can do, but this one also has 4-inch touchscreen display. And though this was launched at the price of 10,000 rupees last year, I got it for craziest price, just 1,500 rupees after applying available coupons and discounts. For that price, you can't imagine the value for money it provides. Anyway, in this video, we are going to check the unboxing and the complete setup of Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the box for Lenovo Smart Clock with Google Assistant. Impressive packaging. On the front, you can see that it supports YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Chromecast enabled devices, and Philips Hue smart bulbs directly via this. On one side, you can see the technical specifications and what are the contents in the box, and on the other side, you can see the price has been listed as 10,000 rupees, but of course I got this for way less than this. You can notice it has won the Red Dot Design Award for 2019. In fact, it has won other prestigious awards like SlashGear CES 2019 Editor's Choice Award, CES Top Pick Tech Radar Awards 2019, and then Red Dot Design Award. It's one of the nicest bedroom alarm clock, smart clock that you can buy. Now let's unbox and see the contents. Box has a really nice magnetic closing mechanism, so it fits perfectly. Right on top we are greeted with the clock itself. It's actually not that big. Let's keep it aside for a moment and see what else is there in the box. We also get power adapter and then we have a booklet for safety, warranty and quick start guide. Looking at the clock, it has plus minus buttons for the volume on top. There is a Lenovo logo and fabric is soft touch cloth and with only single color option grey. On the bottom we have the rubber base. On the back side we have the slot for power adapter cable, the mic on off button and the USB slot to charge your other devices like phones. On the front we have the 2 microphones to catch the voice across the room as well, and really nice and highlight of the clock is its 4-inch IPS display. So that's it from the unboxing end. We'll quickly see the specifications and move on for the setting up device. Just to give you an overview of the specifications, we have 4-inch IPS display and its touchscreen, of course. The weight of the device is 328 grams, so it's not that heavy. From performance perspective, it is powered by MediaTek 8167S 1.5 GHz chipset, and the audio is also crisp, which delivers maximum 6 watt output. On memory front, it comes with 1 GB RAM and 8 GB ROM, and on connectivity front, it supports 2.5 and 5G dual band and Bluetooth 5.1 out of the box. Now let's see how to set up the device. I have downloaded Google Home app and logged in with my Google account. Next, we need to provide the location access. You need to turn on the Bluetooth. It will look for the devices nearby, and here you can see the Google Assistant Smart Clock is found. You will be prompted with the code both on your clock and on the mobile. If it matches, then click yes to proceed. I will skip help improve Google Assistant Smart Clock. Okay, it's asking where is the device located, so I'm sitting in my bedroom. I will set it as bedroom clock. You can set it anywhere as per your need. Then I will connect to my Wi-Fi. And now we can see it is updating. To get the best out of your voice, here you can activate voice search match on your device. It has prompted to save the audio, but we can skip that step as well. Last, for the default music service, as you can see, it supports YouTube Music, Gaana, JioSaavn, Spotify and Wink Music. In the end, you can see this summary here and it will continue downloading the update. Once the update is downloaded, it will start installing the update and your Lenovo Smart Clock will restart to finalize the update. Finally, it is asking us to finish this setup on Home app and then we can turn back to the smart clock. You are prompted with what are the things that you can do with Google Assistant, and we can click OK, and then you can see the summary of the devices connected and all the things that you can do with this clock here. And that completes our setup. Well, that was it from my end, an unboxing and complete setup of Lenovo Smart Clock. I'm going to make a separate video on complete review of this. What are all the things that you can do with it, how it behaves. It's actually pretty interesting and futuristic. So if you have any questions related to this, something that you would like to know about this device, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And as always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you have pressed that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And last but most important thing, stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers!